Me done, man. That's it. That's it, man. Me done. No more. No more of this shit. Me done. Alright guys, you have seen on the title there, so today we will be talking about British Army YouTubers. In the end of the day guys, not a lot of us, it's like maybe what, 8 to 7 of us. I was scrolling through the list on the YouTube trying to find like more, but no one popped up as such. Yes, today I will be talking about the YouTubers in the British Army. Very interesting guys, and different personalities and different style of videos and stuff like that. So if you guys don't know about them, now you know, now you will know about them. So make sure you guys head over to the page, make sure you subscribe, like, and all of that good stuff as well. This person I came across, I think his video is literally similar in the line of how I would do my videos, you know, and I can tell that he got the Chelsie Angeles type of vibes as well, you know, the music overlay and all of that stuff, you know, and just his storytelling, everything just fitting right, exactly the way how I would go about my piece as well, you know. So I think what he's doing is absolutely phenomenal. This guy go by the name Journeymate. One of the what I came across was the one when he was going through his room tour, and basically he built this bunk bed in his room, and underneath bunk bed have the sofa and all that, and I think that was cool because inside his room, the Z-type room, you know, they're not that big, you know what I mean. It's okay for him to utilize that upper space, you know, so I think that was a good idea as well. However, sadly to know that, you know what I mean, he's leaving the army. In our first when, you know, because I watched the last video what you have done, and you were talking about him leaving the army, and I'm thinking like, mate, why are you leaving there? You know what I mean? But anyway, you know what I mean, someone with everyone have a different journey, you know, and he's just embarking on something different, and maybe that's why I name his channel like that, you know. So yeah, you know what I mean, if you guys haven't been on his page or watch his video guys, yeah, a link is going to be in the description. Make sure you go and check him out, you know what I mean, drop him a like, drop him a comment also as well, let him know that Fabziy sent you across here. And yeah man, just keep supporting the thing. But for you mate, wish you all the best mate, you know what I mean, I know you say leave you on, I think you left now. Wish you all the best, and you know what I mean, hopefully someday somehow we can do a collab or something like that, you know what I mean. I think that would be absolutely fantastic. Now we're doing van life or something like that, you know, it's that's cool. I never slept in a van before, you know what I mean, so that would be dope mate, you know what I mean, something different. So looking forward for it mate, you know what I mean. And guys, go and support the thing, you know what I mean. Great content creator, you will not be disappointed my friend. And the next one then guys, with a big drum roll, number 2 is Thompson. Or Tomo, my bad G. So Dan is someone who I know guys, you know Dan from a video, vice versa. Me and Dan done some work together. We did challenge together as well, you know, which was absolutely epic, you know, and that one you can see me just popping out all my chef, you know, my chef skills, you know what I mean, killing it. Yeah, you know, that challenge was, man, I was so tired as well because just time with work, and because he set the challenge, so I couldn't really back down, I couldn't say no, but I was so tired, and he knew that as well. But yeah, Dan is a great content creator as well. Dan, you know, do a lot of vlogging and stuff with his missus and also his dog. Now we got a new dog, which I don't even know the name of that dog as well, you know. But yeah, gleaming bloke, you know what I mean, great content creator, humble guy as well, I really like him. And if you haven't watched his video guys, pop over to his page, go and support him, and also drop him a comment, let him know that Fabziy sent you guys. And also because I'm counting on from 1 down to 8, yeah, don't feel like this person is 8th place or this person is in 1st place, is like the top, you know what I mean. I'm just basically have to give a number in it, so it doesn't matter which way I go about it. Anyway, without further ado guys, the next person is gonna be this guy who I came across way back then in my time, called Kevin Drake. So he rebranded his channel, and now we call him Military Combat Network, which I personally did love. Drake vlogs more, you know what I mean, and I know a lot of people who knew him from then will agree as well. I did enjoy one of his vlogs when he was at home. I think he was on leave, and he was like doing some stuff in the barn or something like that, and because he got a torch, you know, they gave him a torch. I think they sponsor him like a torch to review, and he was reviewing the torch, and it was so funny because just the way how he did it, you know what I mean, not laughable funny, but it was just funny. He just put a smile on my face. And the thing is, like back then it wasn't a lot of us as well, so Drake was one of them, you know what I mean, and a few others which I will talk about shortly. So by seeing his vlogs and thinking, and it's just refreshing, just something different, because you know me, I watch other people's videos as well, other people's vlogs, you know, and you know, I feel we could do more, you know, and that's why you, the viewer, tune in, because you want to see what's next, what's coming next, or whatever. But sometimes, guys, it's like work and all that, especially when I'm working, I was like super busy, so I kind of have to kind of manage that in such a way, you know, happy balance, you know, let's put it that way. But anyway, guys, Kevin Drake, if you haven't checked his video, well, rephrase that, so Military Combat Network, if you haven't got videos out, guys, yeah, make sure you go and do so. So now at the moment he's doing a lot of reviews, which is something different, you know what I mean, not up my street, but that is something what he want to do, you know what I mean, and he enjoy it. So you know what I mean, just support him, go pop over to his page, drop him a like and comment and all that stuff, and let him know that Fabziy sent you across here, mate. Drum roll. The next one then is gonna be JR Murray. So that's my own boy right there, guys. So Murray, I know Murray from way back in Germany. The last video what I done with Murray was when we were done in 27 Reg, and he called me up and he was like, yo, let's come and do a workout video. And I was like, oh mate, that day I was so tired, you know, and you know, I went because I want to support him, and I went there, and his workout is just ridiculous, you know what I mean. He's like, you know what I mean, you want to do this, that tire flip and all that. I was like, oh my days, man, I'm so tired, but I didn't want to tell him that, you know, and then, you know, demotivate him and all of that. So I still went, still joining, and I was absolutely knackered. And then it started to rain, you know what I mean, and you know what is, if it ain't raining, we ain't training, innit? So, you know, we still smash it out. So that was fun. That day was really fun. And then we did another one in Pardeep, which I really like. When he was going over the ups course, he was absolutely blowing. So guess what? So I was shooting video for him, yeah? And he did the ups course. So when he went for the first lap of the ups course, went for the first lap of the ups course, yeah? But the settings on the camera wasn't clear. So it was a bit blurry, and oh my days, he was absolutely blowing. So he finished it and everything, and then when he came in, I looked on the picture itself, and I was like, yo, this ain't look good, bro, you have to do it again. He was fuming about it, but we went and did it again, and yeah, you know, the video is a banger, you know what I mean. I really love that video, so well done, mate. However, mate, you need to step a game up. Come on, we need another video. What are you doing? And the next one then, guys, is going to be Craig Holloman. So Craig is someone who I know from way back when as well. So like Kevin Drake, you have Craig, and also Smudge as well, mate. Smudge, come on, dog. With Craig, guys, so Craig do a lot of workout videos, information, tip, educational videos, stuff like that, you know. And one video I like with Craig was when he got called out by this guy in America called Austin Alexander, and basically he was I think it was a 2-miler. It was a 2-miler or something like that, and he did it in Windsor. So in Windsor you have this massive drag. It was like, you know, you go for miles and miles, you know, not miles and miles, but you go for miles. You know, he just absolutely does a long drag, and then he basically did a loop of that drag and then come back on himself again. And I was watching the video and I'm thinking, mate, that is so boring. Not the video is boring, guys, don't get it twisted, but the run itself, because what I hate is running in a straight line for miles and miles. I really hate that, you know. I'm thinking, I mean, that would just literally drive me nuts. So when I was watching it, you know what I mean, I was saying, you know what, I'd rather you than me, you know, because, you know, I know in the back of his head he said, yo, trust me, this just goes on forever and ever, you know. He did smash Austin as well. So yeah, one for us, guys, one for the Brits. Whoop whoop, can't complain with that. The next one we got in the number 6 now in line is a person go by the name of Journey with Chef Kaur Pardeep. Apologies if I'm pronouncing that wrong, yeah? But she's an absolutely beast. You know, she's always workout, like on our Instagram and our YouTube channel. YouTube though is more of a case of she do a lot of cooking. So she's a chef in the British Army, a full screw. She do a lot of cooking, and trust me, more watery all my days. So nice. On our Instagram, same thing again. She do a lot of workout on our Instagram and cooking as well. You know, like this girl can bake, man. Shit. You know what I mean? Really good. You know what I mean? Really nice person. I spoke to her before. Really nice person. Her personality is amazing. You know what I mean? Her vlogs make me laugh. They're funny. She's always dancing, always smiling, as well. I said, no, that's what we need in this world now. You know, we need more people like that. You know, she's amazing person. You know what I mean? Good content creator. Make sure you go and support her thing, guys. You know what I mean? I know she's a small girl, yeah, but with your help, with your support, you know what I mean, we can make that happen. You know what I mean? And push her up there and put the word out more. So like, share, and all that stuff, and keep supporting. Next one, number 7 on the list, guys, is this person I came across. She just joined the army recently. She's a Londoner. She's well, I'm hoping that she's an Arsenal supporter, yeah. If not, no, I'm just kidding. So she go by the name of Chelsie Angeles. She do a lot of informational video, British Army tips and tricks, how to join the army and all that stuff. And I think she do like some packing, some kit packing and stuff like that. Make sure you go and check out her video out, guys. Really nice girl. You know, the way she put herself across, you know, you can tell she's very humble, you know what I mean? So make sure you go and support her page, drop her a like and comment to let you know that Fabziy sent you across. 7 on the list, Mr. Ranger Media. So Ranger Media, been in the game a long time as well, guys. Do absolutely great videos, a lot of information, educational videos as well, how to join the army and all that stuff. You know what I mean? Salute to you, mate. You know what I mean? What you do is absolutely phenomenal, something different. You know what I mean? And also as well, you know, you're bigging up the Irish brothers. You know what I mean? I love it, mate. Love it. So keep doing your thing, mate. You know what I mean? You're doing a good job. And also as well, that charity race you did last week, I think 90 miles or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. For your mate who passed away. I think that's dope, mate. You know what I mean? Something different. You know, when it comes to mental health, that's right on my street. A lot of things I want to talk about when it comes to stuff like that, you know, but I'm just holding off for now. Guys, if you haven't gone, check Ranger Media videos out, guys. Some dope content, you know what I mean, without a doubt. You know what I mean? I can't go around it. Your content is sick, mate. You know what I mean? And I'm surprised in that, you know what I mean, the British Army itself don't see us of what we do, you know what I mean, and take it on to a bigger scale. Guys, Ranger Media, guys, good content creator. Go and support him, drop him a like, comment, let him know that Fabziy sent you across here. Anyway, just wrap it all up, guys. So as I said, the way I did it then, you know what I mean, from 1 down to 8, you know what I mean, it's not like I put someone in a packing order, you know what I mean, I just literally have to just bring a number up, you know what I mean, and that's the number came up. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So British Army YouTubers, when are you gonna start your page? Let's see. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, my friend. Peace. A bit of acting. I'm done, man. That's it. That's it, man. I'm done. No more. No more of this shit. I'm done.